telling you, he hates the camera. The minute you put a phone or a camera in his face, he either looks away like this. Not now. Like, don't, no photos, please. Or he just walks away. Hey guys, it's Candace, aka the Edgy Veg. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome for the first time. You guys have been asking for some what I eat in a day videos, and as you know, I'm not a big fan of those videos, so I kind of wanted to give you guys what you want while also creating something that I love. So I thought it would be fun for you guys to follow me around today, kind of like a day in the life of the Edgy Veg. We are shooting a couple videos today, myself and my producer and friend Anthony. A little bit of that, and maybe one of these, and one of these. This is like $12 in chocolate. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys some easy recipes that you can incorporate into your day, kind of see what I do in my day to day, and I think you know, you guys will get some good takeaways from this. This is future Candace. I've already filmed a little bit of what I was doing before I beautified myself, but I hope you guys love this video, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys eat on a typical kind of work day for you. Good morning. Okay. Ugh. I'm not a morning person at all, so bear with me here while I get myself together. I'm gonna do my skincare routine. It's a lot. I'm 30 years old, so I need to take care of my skin. So one of the products that I love is the Ordinary products. I have like one of everything. So the first thing I do in the morning, they're vacuuming outside, good, is I get up, I drink like a liter of water. I don't drink a lot of water during the day. I mean, I try to, but I just don't get thirsty, so I find that it's really hard for me to do that. And I don't actually eat right away. I don't really eat until like 11, 11:30, almost lunchtime. And it's almost like this like intermittent fasting that I do. And it's not on purpose. Like I'm not doing it for any reason. I just can't eat first thing in the morning. Oh, hi Anthony.
Hello, how are you?
This is my producer Anthony, and close friend of a long time.
And coffee delivery.
And coffee delivery man.
Bless.
Thank you. Woohoo, coffee. All right, makeup's done. I'm ready for my close-up. It's like 11, so I figured I should get something in my system. Like I said before, I don't really eat first thing in the morning, so I don't make a really big breakfast. So I'm going to put a smoothie together for Anthony and and I'm thinking, I have raspberries, I have peanut butter, I have a little bit of mango. I'm thinking like a PB&J type of smoothie. I'm out of greens. Usually I throw some spinach in here, but I'm out. Healthy carbs will give us lots of energy because of the natural sugars. Okay, so I'm gonna start with almond milk. There's two of us, so I'm going to add about 2 cups. And then I'm going to add about a cup of raspberries. That's about a cup. Just because I have mangoes, I'm just gonna add them. Probably do half a cup of mango. We need some protein and some healthy omegas. So I'm going to add, I'll do 2 tablespoons today of hemp hearts, 2 tablespoons of ground flax, and then I'm thinking about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. And this is just natural, organic, smooth peanut butter. Let's go. Here we go. I was going to put protein powder in this, but I didn't. Oh well. Why buy glasses from a store when you buy everything in jars anyway? Well, I tried to not do that, but such is life. Sometimes life is messy. It's a metaphor. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm just gonna...
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy breakfast. The most important meal of the day. Okay, so I am heading to Whole Foods, but first I need to grab my reusable bags. Well, I'm not gonna take all of them. I'll just take, I think there's 3 in here. So I'm just gonna get in an Uber. I'm going to go to Whole Foods. And I don't really have a shopping list. I'm just gonna see what I feel like buying. Are you excited? I'm excited. I really just eat like a small child or a college student. So this is my favorite cheese ever. It's ale aged, which means it's like a beer cheese. It's so good. I can eat the entire thing in one sitting. Spinach without packaging. Maybe. Ooh, I haven't tried these. Let's get those too. So we just got back from the grocery store. We went to Whole Foods. We filmed a grocery haul. That's what the thing's called. And also we need to eat lunch. So I have a bunch of leftovers that I'm pulling out of the fridge. My lunches are usually just me trying to clean out my fridge. Just whatever's left over from the night before or from a couple days ago, anything that's going to go bad. So I'm thinking of just like throwing together some sort of stir fry. I have a marinated veggie ground round situation here. It's like Thai style. So I'm just gonna throw a bunch of vegetables into a pan, fry up the rice, and feed all of my YouTuber friends that are here.
Oh, hello.
Oh, you may have thought that was Candace with these glasses, but my name's Nicole. Very different. Very different.
So this is clearly the life of a YouTuber.
Yes, this is why I buy this much food.
Am I gonna be on YouTube? Am I gonna be on YouTube?
Oh, you're gonna be on the
Oh, I'm
YouTubes.
gonna be famous.
Nikki,
You're
you didn't plug
famous.
your channel.
Oh, okay.
You're big time now.
HealthNet Nutrition. Subscribe. Thank you.
All right, so I think I'm just gonna throw everything into a frying pan. So this is my Thai basil beef from my cookbook. So this is veggie grand round. It's things that make it taste like Thai. It's like tamari, peppers, Thai chilies, shallots, that sort of thing. Speaking of my cookbook, I am giving one away. All you need to do to enter the contest is leave me a comment in the comment section below letting me know what you like to eat during a typical work day. Let's do lunch. What do you like to take to lunch with you? Take to lunch with you? Take for lunch with you to work? Just let me know in the comment section below what you like to take for lunch when you go to work. Also, you have to be subscribed and you have to like this video. And why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you like this video? There's the carrot from yesterday. I'm gonna take some coconut oil. Clearly it's very cold in here. Medium heat. That'll melt into the pan. I am going to start chopping up the other vegetables. The carrots need a little bit longer to cook, so I'm gonna throw them on first. Well, actually I'll do broccoli and peppers last because peppers don't need a lot of time to cook, but the broccoli, I also don't want it to be too cooked. I like it to be a little bit crispy still. Carrots. Cook, my pretties. Because I do so much recipe testing, I always have ginger and garlic, like minced garlic. I just can't be bothered to waste time mincing garlic or ginger. So for those weeks I'm feeling extra lazy and I have a bunch of recipes to test, I just have pre-minced garlic and ginger. We're gonna add some ginger, garlic. So that's about 2 cloves of garlic and about a teaspoon of ginger. All right, adding the broccoli. I don't know what that accent was. So I am just going to saute that. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And I just want the broccoli to be nice and vibrantly green. And these I save for cream of broccoli soup. So I just put them back into my fridge. No waste, guys, no waste. Add peppers. I'm going to add in the rice. Do I need all of this? Yeah, why not? So this is rice that I made yesterday to go with the veggie ground round. And I'm kind of sick of just eating it the way that it was. So I'm gonna repurpose it. I'll start with 2 tablespoons of, this is just classic tamari. You can also use soy sauce. Then I'm just going to add some toasted sesame oil. If you like it spicy, you can also add some chilies in here or some chili oil. Now, I'm just gonna add in, I don't know, about a cup of this veggie ground round. So we ran out of battery power because Anthony forgot one of the batteries at home. So I'm just hanging out with Nikki.
Oh, hey there.
We're chatting. I'm hungry. So I'm eating some Enjoy Life lentil chips that I bought at Whole Foods. They're good.
Are they flavored?
Margarita flavor.
Oh.
It's like a hint of flavor.
Mm-hmm. They're not bad though. They have a good crunch.
They're done.
Hey, puppies. Hey. They're just hoping for some lentil chips.
Yeah. He's just getting some beauty shots of the lunch that we've just made. Doing a great job over here. I'm going to get some food ready for the kids. This is John's bowl. This is Anthony's bowl. And I just ate a bag of chips waiting for the boys to get back, so I'm just gonna have a little bit. Okay, so for dinner, we are making fajitas. Yes, because I found this organic sprouted power turmeric wrap situation. I thought it was interesting, and why not try it? Cut up a bunch of peppers, and then we have a bunch of mushrooms. It looks like it's a lot of mushrooms, but mushrooms cook down, so it's a lot of food, but clearly I have a lot of hungry mouths to feed, so. So I'm just gonna heat up some oil and saute some onions to start.
So is it always a full house?
Yes, it's always a full house here. One day a week, I'm here with Anthony and Eric, and we're shooting. At least 2 days a week, John is here. At least a few times a week, Suze is here. And Nikki stops by less frequently because she lives not in Toronto anymore. So it's a lot. And the 2 dogs. And everyone's hungry.
Hi, cutie. Oh, she knew. She sees the camera. She got excited.
It's like, oh, it's my time to shine. Want to do a little dance for the camera? Oh, yes, such a good girl. Want to do it? Oh, yes, good job. Okay, now I have to give you a treat. Sit, sit. Good job. We are going to add some onions. And I'm going to saute these for about 5 minutes, just until they are translucent. And I'm going to stick the mushrooms in there. We're going to cook these guys slow and low. This is the best way to have mushrooms and onions. They caramelize a little bit, they get nice and brown. They have a really nice meaty texture. Mushrooms are nice and brown, sauteed. Now let's add some peppers. I chose red peppers, orange peppers, and green peppers because your food should be colorful like a rainbow. It's visually appealing. And then I'll save the rest for the doggos and for some hummus dipping. I just have this taco seasoning, some organic, vegan-friendly taco seasoning. I'm just gonna pour that on here. Usually one package will last me like 2 or 3 meals. A little bit of water to help that steam. I just remembered I have this really good vegan, my fridge is very full, vegan cheese that I want to use. It's like a Greek style, like feta style cheese, and I think it'll go really, really nicely. So I have my turmeric tortilla here. That's some nice additional color. And then put our fajita veggies, a little bit of everything. Any hot sauce you want. Sriracha's pretty universal. I feel like everybody has sriracha at their place. Oh, okay. Well, let's just squirt it out in the opposite direction. It looks exactly like feta. But it kind of acts like almost like a hybrid. And almost like that, what's that Mexican cheese called? It kind of looks and tastes like that as well. I'm gonna dig in because I had a very long day. I'm very hungry. All right. I kind of like this is yellow. It just adds some more fun color to it. Okay. This recipe is so easy, but it's so good and satisfying. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget that I'm doing a cookbook giveaway. So if you want to win one of my cookbooks, just let me know in the comment section below what you take to work with you for lunch. Also make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Winston, what are you doing? That's all you need to do. I'm going to go eat this. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you just want to buy the cookbook to support what I do here, it's available anywhere really where you buy a book. Amazon, Indigo, Barnes & Noble, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.